Heavy equipment, one of the most common types of construction equipment. Part 1. The roles of many types of construction equipment vary. If you're a contractor or thinking about getting into the construction business, you should invest in some basic equipment. Fortunately, several dump trucks, graders, and diggers are for sale in New Zealand and Australia. You may see some or all of the following heavy equipment on site, depending on the type of project. 8 types of heavy equipment used on construction sites. Number 1. Excavators. Excavators, often known as diggers, are among the most commonly utilized heavy equipment in construction projects. They are used to dig trenches and foundations and are most commonly encountered during the early stages of construction. Large holes and channels in the earth may also be excavated using them. Number 2. Backhoe. A backhoe is a versatile type of heavy equipment that may be found on practically any construction site. Excavation, loading, unloading, and raising material to varying heights may all be done using them. Number 3. Bulldozers. Bulldozers are used to excavate shallow levels up to a particular extent using bulldozers. It clears the region by removing or pushing enormous amounts of dirt and other stuff. Track dozers and wheel dozers are the 2 types of dozers. What you'll require will be determined by the project's priorities. Number 4. Graders. Graders, sometimes known as motor graders, are enormous machines used to level the ground for road building. They can also remove and push dirt or snow in the same way as dozers can. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.